couple things I wanted to go over with you guys today regarding upper control arms and why we designed our upper control arms the way we did. First thing is most aftermarket upper control arms, the popular thing are these Uniball Design. And the reason why is you get a lot more travel this way with them than a standard ball joint. The downside of them though is they are purely performance based. They have no longevity to them whatsoever. This customer's upper control arm isn't even 2 years old, and this Uniball is so bad I can now remove it from the vehicle. So that right there, maintenance and noise and just premature failure is why we chose a ball joint design on our upper control arm as opposed to the Uniball Design. The other thing is too, is with ours, if you notice on this one, we did an offset design on our ball joint. So if you notice, our ball joint has a 3-degree offset from this one, which is designed like a standard upper control arm.
Sits more upright.
It sits more upright, and the reason why that is when this is all together and this is way down, this ball joint's actually quite a bit over this way. So by offsetting this 3 degrees like we did, it actually kind of puts that ball joint much closer to center, just like a stock ball joint would be. And that also adds to the longevity of the ball joint, because the ball joint design, it's not jammed over like this, like it would be if it was just a standard flat design. So those are the 2 reasons why we built our upper control arms the way we did.